So and you got lots of projects to take care of.
I have a broken fender that's got a hole this big in it, and I got that, and I got about 3 lights not working on the trailer. I got 2 lights not working on the truck because I've been in snow everywhere you go. It snows. I was in snow today, so it's been I don't know, the snow's been just chasing me around everywhere I go.
Is this one of the worst ones? Is this
on these last 2 trips? Wherever I went, it's been snowing. So the last trip, it snowed over in Iowa, and then I went down to Florida, and then it snowed in Tennessee and Alabama, and my load was in Alabama. I ended up sitting, but I made more money on sitting than I did on the load on that deal. But anyway, I'm just talking about the snow, and then so that was that trip, and then this trip has been all snow. So even though it wasn't snowing everywhere, and y'all probably didn't see snow, everywhere I was going, I was in the snow. And when I was heading down out of Montana, thinking I was going to get out of the snow followed me all the way down through Wyoming, all the way into City, Nebraska, all the way down through Kansas, and then all the way into Oklahoma City. And then finally, once I got out of Oklahoma City, it finally got warm enough. Actually, my truck looked like a giant mud ball, and lights were messing up because of the salt getting out. I don't know what it is with my lights. I've used wire crimps and heat shrink, and the stuff still seems to get in there. So I have some liquid tape. I guess I should start liquid taping the ends. Make sure that crap doesn't get up in there, because it still works its way in there. So anyway, yeah. So yeah, I've been in a lot of snow, which has caused me to have light problems. I got lights to fix. I have a belt that went down on my AP unit, and my heater went out one day, and I had lifted it up and got up in there, and a wire had broke off. So I need to fix a wire on the heater. I need to put the belt on I need to order 2 more of these. I need to put the belt on the AP unit, change the oil on the AP unit, change the oil on the truck. I got a wobbly tire on the front of the truck. It's like this when you're going down the road. I'm surprised my truck hasn't shaken apart. And then I ran over something at Walmart, and a pole at Walmart, and sliced the tire. So I ain't worried about it, though. It doesn't seem to be having any issues. So, but I will have to get that changed. And there's other things I'm sure I'm not remembering right now, but I definitely got a lot of stuff to work on this time at home. So I'll have to kick the Cadillac out and get the heater going and get them fenders in there and do some fiberglassing.
Yeah.
And because I'm doing one, I'll have to do them both. I'll have to paint them both. Make them match. So that's what's going on with me. On the video that I talked about doing the fenders, ladies and gentlemen, over 2,000 views on it. So all of you, I'm going to be putting up a video here pretty soon on putting them why I run fiberglass fenders, because they're more than just being cool. They are practical because they're repairable, and I'm going to show you here in a day or two. So keep looking for it. Anyway, so Ritty's glad I'm home, and she's ready for me to get in the house and wants me to be her Valentine.
You're not supposed to tell everything you know.
And so y'all have a wonderful day wherever you are.
Ring that bell.
Give me the finger.
No, ring the bell. You need to buy a bell.
I'm getting there.
You need to buy a bell. You have a bell in here?
Y'all have a wonderful day. Have lots of fun wherever you are. And don't forget to ring that bell, like Scotty says it. God bless, and later.